Welcome back to Blossom University. It's your instructor, Blossoming Jasmine. And today I am, of course, supporting yet another Black business. So today's Black business that I am supporting is eyewear company that is Philly based. And the name is Vintage Rush. So it's Vintage, Vintage, Rush, Ruz, as in zebra, H as in Henry. So I really like these eyeglasses. I thought that they were super cute and complements my face very nicely. And I thought that I would make them pop with these pink Swarovski crystals. And I have this army fatigue jacket that has all these, words on them like, queen and beautiful and just great vibes and all these things that the jacket says. So I thought that these glasses would be really cute because it's a camouflage jacket with pink writing on it. So that's what I'm going to wear these glasses with. And for those of you who do want to buy their products, I believe that they're about to launch their new website, which is vintagerush.com. So I encourage you to buy um, from them. I was actually gifted these glasses because someone who supports me was like, I think that you love these glasses. They're Black owned company. And I know you're going to do your thing. So what do you guys think? Do you like the pink on the green? What are your final thoughts? Definitely comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Definitely let me know if you would like for me to bling out some of your glasses. You can always contact me on my Instagram at Blossoming Jasmine. So I love you lots and I will see you in my next tutorial. You guys be great. Always Blossoming Jasmine.